Good morning and welcome back. My name is Allie. My family and I are homesteading here in Georgia, and today we are going to take you with us to a national forest about an hour from our house. So come with us for a fun day as we go explore a national forest in Alabama. And for dinner we have a pot roast cooking. So that'll cook for 8 hours while we're gone today.
You want to drive?
It's terrifying. Thousands of accidents happen across the country. We see it every day. If you've been injured in a car accident.
Way to go. Can you drive the car?
Go car girl.
Go car girl.
Should we bring anything with the bikes or?
I mean,
Frisbee? I mean, we're just going for just doing a little bit.
Thank you.
What are you talking? Happy birthday, dear somebody.
Look at the mountains. Have you ever even seen mountains?
What do you think?
What do you think about this tree? Is it a good tree?
Oh, climb up.
No, there is, like, he always does talk about, like, I can only do bow hunting here because you can't use, like, firearm or something like that. There's, like, rules still.
Yeah, but he pulls over and shoots with the gun.
I love the possum.
A black bear?
She loves bears.
I know.
Hike to the waterfall?
You know where to go?
The stream is moving that way?
Yeah.
But this is the lake, I think. So I think upstream is that way.
No.
I see fish. Can your hands be free, baby? Yeah. You gonna shake your hands in the air? What about your other hand?
What? Yeah, you see all the creek, the Wawa? Is that pretty cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about it?
down.
Whoa.
You like it, baby? Yeah. I know we're going.
Hi, Mama and Ada girl. Ada girl.
Say hi, Papa.
Wow.
What are you doing?
Oh, skipping rocks. Ooh, good one. Big rock. Oh,
Wow.
that was not a good one.
I mean, I couldn't get one skip.
Like a pretty good one. Ooh.
This was so awesome. I'm so glad we did it, hon.
Me too.
Oh, you were helping me get down? This is such a cool hike. It's relatively easy. I mean, there were a couple of points where I was like, okay, beginner? I don't know about that. But it was a short hike to that beautiful waterfall. Definitely worth it, and we will be coming back.
What did it say, about 2 miles?
Is that what it is round trip?
No, about 2 miles back.
It's 2 miles one way.
I don't know. I thought it said that. Or did it say 3 miles round trip, which would be 1.5 miles each way?
That sounds almost about right.
Yeah.
Why, I'm not really recognizing this. Oh wait, I guess I am. Oh yeah, I do. Okay, we are home now from our adventure to the waterfall. And I just wanted to say thank you all so much for watching another video. And I will see you on the next one. Bye. Say, all done, Mama.
Hello, Mama.
Bye.
Bye.